Harrison & James is an online jewelry retailer that offers a diverse collection of fashion jewelry, including rings, necklaces, bracelets, earrings, pendants, and other accessories designed to suit a wide variety of personal styles and occasions. The brand focuses on providing elegant-looking jewelry at relatively affordable prices, making it appealing to customers who want fashionable accessories without spending a premium amount. The website is designed with a clean and modern layout, allowing shoppers to browse products by category and view detailed images that showcase the appearance of each item. Frequent promotions, seasonal sales, and discounted pricing are commonly featured, which can make the products seem like attractive value for budget-conscious buyers. The collection includes both classic and contemporary designs, ranging from minimalist everyday pieces to more decorative jewelry intended for special events, gifts, or formal occasions. When considering the overall shopping experience, opinions about Harrison & James appear to be varied rather than entirely positive or negative. Some customers mention that the jewelry looks attractive upon arrival and offers good value for its price, particularly for individuals seeking fashion accessories instead of fine jewelry made from precious metals or gemstones. Buyers who are satisfied often appreciate the stylish designs, lightweight construction, and affordability, noting that the products are suitable for casual wear, gifting, or adding variety to a personal jewelry collection. For customers with realistic expectations about fashion jewelry, the store may provide an accessible way to purchase trendy accessories without a significant financial investment. On the other hand, some shoppers have reported experiences that differ from their expectations. These comments often relate to aspects such as shipping times, product quality, packaging, sizing accuracy, or the overall durability of the jewelry after regular use. Since fashion jewelry is generally intended to be more affordable than premium or luxury alternatives, the materials and finishes may not offer the same level of longevity as higher-end jewelry. As a result, buyers looking for pieces that can withstand years of daily wear may wish to carefully review the product specifications and material descriptions before making a purchase. Understanding whether an item is made from stainless steel, plated metals, or other materials can help customers determine if it matches their expectations for durability and maintenance. Customer service experiences also appear to vary. While some buyers describe straightforward transactions and successful order deliveries, others mention that communication or issue resolution may take longer than expected. These mixed experiences highlight the importance of carefully reviewing the store's policies regarding returns, refunds, exchanges, shipping, and warranties before placing an order. Reading these policies in advance can help customers understand the process should they need assistance after receiving their purchase. It is also beneficial to retain order confirmations and payment records until the transaction is fully completed.